Elizabeth Southerden Thompson was born November 3, 1846, died October 2, 1933, later known as Lady Butler. Was a British painter who specialised in painting scenes from British military campaigns and battles, including the Crimean War and the Napoleonic Wars. Her notable works include The Roll Call was purchased by Queen Victoria, The Defence of Rorke's Drift, and Scotland Forever. She wrote about her military paintings in an autobiography published in 1922. I never painted for the glory of war, but to portray its pathos and heroism. She was married to British Army officer William Butler, becoming Lady Butler after he was knighted.